Alright, so this is gonna be like my 15th time trying to record this voiceover. So basic face is gonna be really simple and easy. And mostly I'm just gonna use an eyebrow product, laying my eyebrows down with my finger. Make sure there's no eyebrow hairs underneath your brow. It'll look a lot more professional. And here we go. Eyebrow product is the eyebrow brush I'm using is a short angled one. And I'm mostly just tapping my brush into the product, tapping off the excess so it's not too much. And just go in the direction of your brush or in the direction of your eyebrow, whatever's easier for you. And mostly you just want to fill it in where there might be space. It's up to you. Try not to make them too long as far as your eyebrows, but I just like for it to have a really nice transition. This is my easy eyebrow. You'll see my other eyebrow is not as easy. I normally like to use an eyebrow powder. I like the fact that it stays all day long rather than a pencil, but mostly on clients just because it'll be a lot easier, I'll use a pencil. Now here's for my bad eyebrow girl. Alright, I'll cheat and I'll start at my arch. I just want to make sure that both of them come up around the same area, and then I will fill her in wherever she's lacking hair. And I don't know if I said it earlier, but mostly what I do before I do my makeup is wash my face, moisturize, and then do my makeup. Not directly after, but probably like 5 or 10 minutes after I will. This is my bad eyebrow, but I'm just trying to make her look as close to her sister as possible. Now what I'm showing you is the concealer brush that I'm going to be using, and these are the concealers. The first 4 are concealer colors for you. The last 2 are brighteners and a color corrector. The one I'll be using is the third one in. She doesn't have a name, but if she had her name, Sandy Tan, that'll be a nice name. I'll be using Sandy Tan right underneath my eyebrow just to clean up Sandy. And mostly I like to make sure that underneath my eyebrows are really sharp, really pointy. That's what I like, and nobody can change it. Everybody's different how they do their eyebrows, how they do their face makeup. Some people do their face first, eyebrows second, but sometimes I feel like doing the eyebrows is a little bit easier just to do it first. Notice that I'll use my finger to blend in sometimes, but that just depends on me and if it completely blended out at all. This one, you'll notice that I'll put a little bit of product on my eyebrow just to make sure that, on my eyebrow hair, just to make sure that they look the same. This one has a curve, this one really does not. So I'll just put a little bit of product on my actual eyebrow hair just to make it look like it's not really there when it is. people will put concealer on their eyelid, but I'm really natural, so I'm not. And well, kinda, I'll put foundation on my eyelids sometimes. Next is my foundation. I'll put my foundation in the center of my face for the most part, and then I will work my way out. Or your problem areas, whatever the situation may be. I'll use a beauty blender to make sure it's damp. This is a used beauty blender. It's not dirty. Well, it is dirty, but you know, it's my personal beauty blender, so it ain't that dirty. It's just my foundation on it. You can roll the beauty blender, you can tap it, whatever works for you. However, makes it not look cakey. Spreading it. And next I'll be using a concealer. Concealer is just one shade lighter. It's Kiko's 2-in-1 concealer with Kiko's 2-in-1 foundation. The 2-in-1 stands for concealer and a foundation. This step is optional. This is just like a hydrating oil I'm going to use to the face. I probably shouldn't have did this part, kind of made my face a little bit too dewy, but I'm going to work with it. It's not going to work with me. I'm going to work with it, okay? Just going to help her blend out a little bit more. Sometimes my face is a little bit too dry, so that just allows me to make it look a little bit more dewy underneath the eyes. Just soaking up some of that extra foundation. Make sure it don't look cakey. It's not my birthday. I don't want it to look cakey, girl. It's your birthday. You should look cakey. Okay. We're almost done. Last is optional. Is my highlighter. And I'll mostly put my highlighter wherever my face will normally shine. Literally, you can see where my face is shining, and I'm placing my highlighter there. Sometimes I'll put it underneath my eyebrow, but not every day. So this is just a basic face. Hope you liked it. Subscribe. Do what you want to do, girl. Okay? Finish her. Okay? Slay the girls. Watch it again and again until you know how to do this. Okay? Ew. Ew. Give it. Ew.